feeling under the weather? Let's explore how ancient wisdom from the Bible can bring comfort and healing when you're dealing with a cold or the flu. While the Bible isn't a medical textbook, it's filled with principles of health and mentions of natural remedies that people have used for centuries. Let's dive into God's natural pharmacy. First, it's important to understand that the Bible speaks more about the source of all healing, God, rather than specific prescriptions for every ailment. It points us toward a holistic approach, caring for both our bodies and our spirits. The focus is on faith, prayer, and using the natural resources God provided. So, what are some of these resources that were common in biblical times and are still used today? Let's start with garlic. This powerful bulb, used for thousands of years, is known for its incredible immune-boosting properties. In ancient cultures, it was valued for its ability to fight off sickness. Next, we have thyme. Often used as a fragrant herb in cooking, thyme was also brewed into teas to help soothe sore throats and support respiratory health. Its gentle yet effective properties make it a wonderful natural comforter. And of course, honey. Described as a gift from a land flowing with milk and honey, it's a natural sweetener with powerful antibacterial qualities. A spoonful of honey in a warm drink can soothe a cough and bring immediate relief. These ingredients, garlic, thyme, and honey, are truly a part of God's natural medicine cabinet, available to us even today. The Bible also shares specific stories of healing. One powerful example is in 2 Kings chapter 20. When King Hezekiah was gravely ill, the prophet Isaiah instructed him to apply a poultice of figs to his boil. This simple, natural remedy, guided by divine instruction, led to Hezekiah's recovery. This story beautifully illustrates how faith and natural treatments can work hand in hand. Beyond the physical, the Bible emphasizes the spiritual side of healing. Prayer is our direct line to God, bringing peace and strength when we feel weak. The anointing with olive oil is another significant practice, mentioned in the book of James. It serves as a physical symbol of faith and God's healing presence, a reminder that He is with us in our sickness. Healing is a journey that involves our whole being, body, mind, and spirit. So, as you seek relief from a cold or flu, remember to combine rest and hydration with these timeless natural remedies. Embrace the peace that comes from faith and the strength found in prayer. Trust in the natural goodness God has provided. We hope this brings you comfort and a sense of wellness. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more biblical wellness tips. Be well, and God bless.